All right, today I'm going to show you how to put in a technology work order. You're going to open up a browser and open the ACISD website. Going right up here to this little green, this is where we're going to log in. This is for the employee login. We're going to put in your login and password. This is our test login and password. All right, so here's your dashboard. This is your employee dashboard. Right up here is where you're going to put in a technology work order, or you can come right over here to request and come right down here to tech work orders. We're going to go right here from this button, technology work order. Your name will automatically fill in here. If for some reason you need to be putting it in for a fellow teacher partner who, let's say, can't open their account, you can log through and find. You can find your location. Yours will automatically pop in here. You can select what you're having a problem with, whether it be your account, Chromebooks, security, email, etc. Then you can describe your problem here, put the best time to work on your problem here, and then you can submit the work order, and you will get an email confirmation.